welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Now today's video is gonna be a Wish gadget trying on video. Now this is my first ever time that I am sharing something like this on my channel, even though I do shop a bit from Wish. Now those of you who don't know, Wish is like a super duper cheap Chinese website where you can get like really weird items to home stuff to clothing to bags to like everything that you can think of is available on Wish, but like in a super cheap price. They do ship worldwide. I'm not very sure if they're shipping to India at the moment, but I am gonna be sharing with you guys today what all I got, and I'm gonna be trying out if the items actually genuinely work live with you guys in this video. So I hope you'll enjoy watching this. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Like AliExpress has a lot of different vendors and sellers available on one platform, and then you can actually buy one product, like the same product from different sellers available on that website, and each seller has different pricing, so you can always check their website, check their app, and see which one is selling you the product for the cheapest. And that's how I usually shop on Wish. Now this, oh my god, my hair, sorry. This time I bought a bunch of things in here in this packet. So let's start with the first one. I will keep telling you the prices and everything of that. So the first parcel that came in was this one. Now some of the stuff came together, like 4 or 5 items from the total came in together, but rest of the other came in like one after the other, just like AliExpress. Like I think this is how the Chinese shopping sites work. So the first thing that I got is this tomato chopper. Let me tell you what exactly it is called on their website. I was really intrigued when I saw this. So it is called the Convenient Food Fruit Vegetable Slicer, because they had a tomato in the picture on their app. I think that is why I'm calling it a tomato chopper. This was originally for $3 Australian dollars, and then I paid $3 extra for shipping. So in total this costed me $6, and I have no idea how this is gonna work, but so you are supposed to like put your fruit or whatever, tomato or things, whatever you want to chop like this, and then you keep putting your knife in between, and it is supposed to cut your fruit in slices. You know what I mean? Like I am sure when I will actually try it on in the kitchen you will understand better, but I will also include the picture of the product available on the app. Like watching that picture, I ended up buying this product. So this is the first thing. Let's go ahead and try it out. If this it feels a little cheap plastic, but let's see if it works. I have a lemon over here, and I'm gonna pop my lemon in here like that, and we will try to cut the slices. So come closer. I'm gonna hold it like this from here, and we'll see if we can cut slices. You guys, so this is how my lemon slices look like. Now I would say it did work, because it was supposed to cut the lemon into slices, and it did cut it into small thin slices, but the whole cutting process was a little difficult. As you guys see, I had to struggle, like I was struggling a bit to hold the lemon into places, and these plastic thingies over here are not lined properly. So I would give it a thumbs down, and I would say that you can still buy better slice choppers or cutters in the market than this. Okay, now the next thing that I bought on their website is a cleaning supply. So it is called Cleaning Supply Convenient Microfiber Blind Blade Cleaner Window Conditioner Duster Clean Brush. Oh my god, has a huge name, but basically this is a blind cleaner. So it has like different you know, like in between space here, so you just scroll through this through your blind like this, and it is supposed to clean the blind, but at the moment, as I can see, it is already shedding, so I am not very sure how effective this is gonna be. Oh my god, and I am, trust me, opening this for the first time with you guys, so I am not very impressed, but we'll try it on. So I've paid $3 for this and $3 extra for shipping, so which makes it to the total of $6 again. Now let's go ahead and see if this shedding thing actually works. Okay you guys, so I am in the bedroom and I am by the window, and we are gonna try this you know, blind cleaner. Even though my first impression of this is not good because it has been shedding, it still is shedding you know, the fur thingy. I have no idea how much this is gonna clean the blind or make a mess out of it. So let's go ahead and try this out. This is picking up the dust, but it is also shedding, and I cannot, like, I don't want to give this any more try because I know this is gonna make a lot more mess than clean the blinds. Look at how much it is shedding. This is definitely a thumbs down. Do not buy this. No, no, no. Now the next thing I bought is called a 3-piece plastic dumpling maker mold. Now in India we call it a gujia maker basically. So it comes in a set of 3, and the color is random. They'll send you like a random color, so you cannot choose which one you will get. But this is how it looks like. So it is made up of plastic, and so you are apparently supposed to put your dough in between, put the stuffing in here and close it, and it will come in the shape of a dumpling or a gujia in India. And I saw this on the website. I know things like these are easily available in Indian market in steel and stuff, but I was like, why not just give it a try, because I wanted to make, like, I wanted to see if this works. So we're gonna test this out like on a plain dough later on, but I will tell you the prices. So there are a couple of things available on Wish, which will actually show you that the product is free. You just have to pay the shipping. So that is the case with this one. The product was free, but I had paid $5 shipping, so in total this costed me $5. Now let's go ahead and see if I wasted my $5 or it is worth spending it. Okay you guys, so the next thing is this dumpling maker. Let's try this out. I have here, as you guys will see, so I have this, I have a rolling pin, I have a dough over here. Let's try to make a ball and see if this thing works. Okay guys, so this has been rolled up, and this is the dumpling maker. I'm gonna pop this on it, and I also want to see if this can hold the stuffing, because usually whatever I'm gonna make will have some sort of stuffing to it. I don't have a stuffing ready, so I'm just putting rice in between, a little bit of rice, and let's just try this out. So we will shut this and press it, and oh my god, this thing is coming out. I will remove the excess dough. Let's see. I'm not very sure how to take this thing out now. Not bad at all actually. So even if the dough was stuck in the back, in the bottom, it still made a pretty good dumpling out of it. So yeah, it is not you know, broken or anything. I can still steam it or fry it if I want to, and it gives like the perfect shape as well. I think if I you know, put a little less dough in this will work. So this one is a thumbs up, surprisingly. I never thought, I thought this was gonna be a fail, but sorry, I'm just crunching because I cannot adjust the tripod. But yeah, I really thought this was gonna be a fail, but this is a thumbs up, you guys. The next item I bought is available in this set of 2, 3 or 6 pieces, and this is a reusable silicone wrap seal bowl cover. Now this is what I bought. So I bought a set of 6. So this is how it looks like. So this is the smallest size, then a little bigger over here. Then we have this one, and this one. Actually, there's another one in between. So yeah, I got a set of 6 now. This is how it looks like. It is transparent. There was another blue color available. Again, you cannot choose your color in this one. They just send you random color, and I'm so glad they sent me a white. So you are supposed to you know, put it on your container and just, you know, like stretch it, and it'll cover your container. Now I saw it on the website, on the app, that it can be used on any size or shape container. So basically, since this is circle, I was thinking like I don't have any circle bowls, but you can use it even on a square lunchbox and bowls. That's what they did on the app. They were showing it on the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. But let me tell you the price. So I paid $4 for a pack of 6. And then I paid $4 shipping, so in total this costed me $8, which is again not too much in case this thing works, because this can be really helpful and really handy in the kitchen. So now let's go ahead and try this on. Okay guys, so I am in the kitchen to try the thing out. Now I have 2 containers over here, 2 glass containers, and these are the covers that we have got. We will try. So there's one circle container and there's one square or rectangle shaped container that I have, and I want to check out if, you know, this thing is going to work on both of them or not. So this is the circular glass container, and I am going to try and cover this out. It looks like it fits, and it is leak proof as well, so I think this works on this thing perfectly. But let's try it out on a rectangle shaped container. Oh, there we go. It does work, guys. It does work. It did cover the container, even though it is not neatly done. Like, I cannot expect it to fit perfectly on a rectangle shape, but at least it is working, and it does you know, has a lot of stretch to it, so it works. I'm so happy. This one is a big thumbs up. The next item that I got is very, very useful. If this works, it will be very, very useful for me in the kitchen. So this is how it looks like. I know it's like, you can't guess what it is, but it is called a kitchen silicone anti-slip drain pan. Now you know, when you have round pans and you don't have like a you know, like a, how do I tell you, like if you want to pour things and you have a round pan and it doesn't have a mouth like this, it just spills all over. So this one you can actually put on your pan, and then, you know, it becomes like a mouth, and you know, you can pour your things without dropping it or spilling it all around your kitchen slab. And I really liked it. I have not tried this on because I'm just unboxing this for the first time with you guys over here. So in case this works, again, this is going to be very, very helpful for me in the kitchen. Now I think I paid $4 for this. No, I paid $3 for this, and I paid $3 extra for shipping. So in total this costed me $6. And again, if this works, it is worth the price. Now next up we have this pouring thing to give shape to the container so it can pour properly. Let's see. So I have a pan over here with water in it, and I have a glass. I'm gonna try to put this on the pan. It is silicone and adjustable, so it can fit anywhere. Now I'm gonna try and pour water in the glass with this. Let's see if this works. Oh, okay. As you guys can see, it is working, but also there is a bit of a leakage happening from the side. I don't know if I've put it correctly or what. Let's try it again. Okay, I've tried to put it real nice this time. If it still leaks, then it is a fail. See, it is, as you guys can see, it is still leaking from the back a little bit. So I think you have to be very careful even while using it. So I'm not very sure if this is a thumbs up, because the main purpose of it is no leakage, but the leakage is still happening. So this is a thumbs down for me. And the last piece that I got from Wish this time is this weird looking gadget, the kitchen gadget again. Now this is called mini ceramic rod tungsten steel cam pocket kitchen knife sharpener. Basically this is a kitchen knife sharpener. Now I have no idea how much this is gonna work, but you are apparently supposed to rub your knife in between here, and it is gonna sharpen your knife, which is again like a new thing for me. If this works, this can be very helpful because it is not sharp. You cannot actually see or touch the blades, but I don't know if this is actually gonna work. Let me tell you the price. So I paid $3 for this, and shipping was $4. So in total this was $7. Again, we'll go ahead and try this on and see if the $7 were worth, or I have just spent all my money in drain. Let's go ahead and try it out. I have no idea how much this is gonna work, or if this is gonna work at all or not, but as you guys can see from here, it has some wired shape thingy in it, but on the other side, if you see, it has a little metal in between over here, and this is where you are supposed to put your knife and rub it. So we are gonna try this out. See, definitely makes the knife a bit sharper. I can feel it. Let me try to rub it a little more. Oh, it has definitely made my knife sharper. I can feel it. I can feel the sharpness to my knife. Oh my god, this was so quick. You guys, if only you could feel it, my knife is definitely way sharper than it was earlier. Oh my god, I cannot believe this little thing works. So it is a big thumbs up for me. In case you guys want to try this out, definitely give this a try, because super cheap and it works. So big thumbs up. So that was it, you guys. These were all the products that I bought from Wish, like my weird kitchen or home gadget that I bought from Wish. I absolutely loved trying them out with you guys. Some were fails, some were pass. I am definitely gonna shop more in case you like this video, in case you would want to see me experimenting with more such weird Chinese cheap objects. Then let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.